Agile, powerful, and packed with cutting-edge technology, the Saab Gripen E is a multi-role fighter designed for modern air combat. Equipped with a GE F414G engine, it reaches speeds of Mach 2 while maintaining exceptional fuel efficiency. The Gripen E features an active electronically scanned array AESA radar, advanced electronic warfare systems, and an infrared search and track IRST sensor, ensuring superior situational awareness. Its network-centric warfare capabilities allow seamless communication with allied forces, making it a formidable asset in joint operations. With a combat range of 1,500 kilometers and the ability to carry a mix of air-to-air, air-to-ground, and anti-ship missiles, this Swedish powerhouse is built to dominate the battlefield. The J-10 Vigorous Dragon is a fierce and agile symbol of China's growing aerospace prowess, a fighter jet that embodies both power and precision. With its delta-wing design and canards, it slices through the air with a grace that belies its deadly capabilities. Powered by a robust engine and equipped with advanced avionics, radar systems, and a versatile arsenal of weapons, the J-10 is a multi-role combat aircraft designed to dominate the skies in any scenario. But the Vigorous Dragon is more than just a machine of war. It is a source of national pride, a testament to the ingenuity and determination of its creators. For pilots, it is a trusted companion, a vessel of courage and skill that carries them into the heart of danger. For the nation, it is a symbol of resilience and progress, a reminder that strength and innovation can soar to new heights. F-35 Lightning II is a fifth-generation multi-role combat aircraft designed to excel in air superiority, ground attack, and reconnaissance missions. Known for its advanced stealth capabilities, the F-35 can evade radar detection while carrying a mix of internal and external weapons. It features a single-engine design powered by the Pratt & Whitney F135 turbofan, enabling supersonic speeds and exceptional maneuverability. The jet is equipped with cutting-edge avionics, including the APG-81 AESA radar and the electro-optical targeting system, providing unparalleled situational awareness. Widely used by the U.S. military and allied nations, the F-35 represents a cornerstone of modern air power, integrating advanced technology to dominate 21st-century battlefields. The RQ-4 Global Hawk is more than just a machine, it's a testament to human ingenuity and a symbol of unwavering vigilance in the face of uncertainty. This high-altitude, long-endurance marvel soars through the skies with a quiet grace, its sleek, futuristic design cutting through the clouds like a silent guardian. Equipped with state-of-the-art sensors and cameras, it peers down upon the Earth with an almost omniscient gaze, capturing details invisible to the naked eye. Its ability to fly for over 30 hours without rest, covering vast distances, speaks to its relentless dedication to its mission, whether it's gathering critical intelligence, monitoring disaster zones, or safeguarding borders. Yet, behind its technological prowess lies an emotional resonance. It's a lifeline for those on the ground, a beacon of hope in times of crisis, and a silent protector watching over us from above. The Anka UAV stands as a testament to Turkey's soaring ambition and technological prowess, a symbol of national pride in the skies. Born from the ingenuity of Turkish aerospace industries, this marvel of engineering is more than just a machine, it's a guardian, watching over borders and safeguarding lives with unwavering precision. With its piercing electro-optical eyes and the ability to soar for hours on end, the Anka embodies resilience, endurance, and the relentless pursuit of excellence. Whether under the blazing sun or the cloak of night, it navigates the heavens with grace, delivering critical intelligence that shapes the course of missions. For Turkey, the Anka is not just a drone, it's a dream realized, a beacon of independence, and a promise of security for generations to come. The Eurofighter Typhoon is one of the most advanced 4th or 4.5 depending on your classification generation aircraft in the world today. It's fair to say few aircraft have been as anticipated as this one. The aircraft delivers an enviable level of flexibility and efficiency, while possessing both adequate weapon availability and sufficient processing power to simultaneously support missile in-flight updates and bomb in-flight targeting. It is a true swing-roll combat aircraft, combining a proven, agile airframe built from stealth materials with the latest sensors, control and weapons systems. Delivers optimum combat capability, both beyond visual range and in close combat. The performance specifications of the Eurofighter Typhoon make it a benchmarking fighter aircraft in several roles. Extremely powerful, efficient engines, paired with a low gross weight, give it an extraordinary thrust-to-weight ratio. Sleek, stealthy, and strategically unmatched, the Northrop B-2 Spirit is a marvel of modern aviation. Engineered with a cutting-edge flying wing design, this bomber boasts low observable stealth technology, making it nearly undetectable by enemy radar. Powered by 4 General Electric F-118 GE100 turbofan engines, it reaches a top speed of 630 miles per hour with a range exceeding 6,000 nautical miles without refueling. The B-2 carries up to 40,000 pounds of ordnance, including precision-guided conventional bombs and nuclear payloads. With advanced composite materials, radar-absorbent coatings, and state-of-the-art avionics, it dominates the skies while remaining virtually invisible. This unmanned combat aerial vehicle is designed to dominate the skies with its stealthy, sleek frame and advanced avionics, capable of operating alongside manned aircraft in the most challenging missions. Its ability to take off and land on short runways, including aircraft carriers, makes it a versatile and formidable force in modern warfare. But the KIZILELMA is more than just a machine. It is a symbol of resilience and innovation, a testament to the relentless pursuit of excellence by its creators. For those who rely on it, the KIZILELMA is a guardian, a silent protector that watches over the battlefield with unwavering precision. With a top speed exceeding 900 kilometers per hour, it swiftly dominates the skies, while its advanced avionics and AI systems ensure precision in every mission. The F-22 Raptor is the U.S. Air Force's premier air superiority fighter. Powered by 2 Pratt & Whitney F-119 PW100 engines, it can reach speeds in excess of Mach 2 while maintaining supercruise capabilities, allowing it to fly at supersonic speeds without afterburners. With its advanced AESA radar, integrated avionics, and superior stealth design, the F-22 excels in both offensive and defensive air combat. Its maneuverability is enhanced by advanced thrust vectoring nozzles, and its highly accurate weapons system can engage targets at long ranges. The F-22's versatility is unmatched, capable of carrying a combination of AIM-120 AMRAAM, AIM-9 Sidewinder, and precision-guided bombs, all while maintaining a low radar cross-section for stealthy penetration of enemy defenses. The Boeing MQ-25 Stingray is a game-changing unmanned aerial refueler, revolutionizing the way naval aviation operates. Designed to support carrier-based aircraft, the MQ-25 extends the range and endurance of fighter jets by delivering fuel mid-flight with precision and reliability. Its sleek, stealthy design and advanced technology make it a vital asset in modern warfare, reducing the logistical burden on manned aircraft and enhancing mission flexibility. Beyond its technical capabilities, the MQ-25 represents a leap forward in innovation, embodying the future of unmanned systems in military operations. The Boeing MQ-25 Stingray is a bold step into the future, ensuring that naval aviation remains agile, efficient, and ready for any challenge. The Lockheed State Route 71 Blackbird is the fastest and highest-flying jet aircraft in history, and Duxford State Route 71 Blackbird has flown higher than any other when it set the world record for sustained altitude flight in 1976, flying at 85,000 feet. Blackbird was developed in the 1960s during the Cold War as a high-flying reconnaissance jet. It is still considered by many as the most advanced aircraft of its type, flying at 3 times the speed of sound, faster than any weapon that could be fired at it. Unlike traditional fighters, the State Route 71 carried no weapons. It relied solely on speed and altitude to evade threats. Even decades after retirement, this legendary aircraft remains one of the most iconic and revolutionary jets in aviation history. On November 12, 2024, Turkish Aerospace Industries TAI announced the successful maiden flight of the second prototype of its Hürjet jet trainer light combat aircraft. This prototype features key upgrades, including an enlarged radome potentially housing the Murad AESA radar system, wingtip hardpoints for air-to-air missiles, and splitter plates on the air intakes. During its 26-minute flight, the Hürjet reached an altitude of 10,000 feet and a speed of 200 knots while performing maneuverability tests. These enhancements highlight TAI's progress in developing a versatile, advanced aircraft capable of meeting both training and light combat roles, marking a significant milestone in Turkey's indigenous aerospace capabilities. The J-20 Mighty Dragon is not just a fighter jet, it is a soaring emblem of national pride and technological ambition, a symbol of China's rise as a global power. With its sleek, stealthy design and cutting-edge aerodynamics, it cuts through the skies like a shadow, elusive and formidable. The J-20's advanced avionics, powerful engines, and state-of-the-art weaponry make it a force to be reckoned with, capable of dominating the skies in both air-to-air and air-to-ground combat. But beyond its technical prowess, the Mighty Dragon carries an emotional weight. It represents decades of dedication, innovation, and the relentless pursuit of excellence. For many, it is a source of inspiration, a testament to what can be achieved through determination and vision. Brutal, battle-proven, and built for dominance, the AH-64 Apache is the world's premier attack helicopter. Armed to the teeth, it carries a 30mm M230 chain gun, up to 16 Hellfire missiles, and Hydra 70 rockets, making it a lethal force against armored targets. Powered by twin General Electric T700 turboshaft engines, it reaches speeds of 293 km per hour while maintaining exceptional agility. Its longbow radar and target acquisition sensors enable all-weather, day and night operations, giving pilots unparalleled battlefield awareness. Designed for survivability, the Apache features redundant flight systems, armored crew compartments, and the ability to keep fighting even after sustaining damage. Whether in close air support, deep strike missions, or anti-armor warfare, the AH-64 remains an unstoppable force in modern combat. Many aviation experts agree that Russia's Su-57 is one of the only fighter jets that truly meets the criteria for a fifth-generation aircraft. It was among Russia's first jets to be fully designed using digital modeling and incorporates several advanced engineering innovations. For example, all of its edges are aligned at the same angle, avoiding right angles. And its weaponry is housed internally, significantly reducing radar detection. The Su-57 also stands out for its construction, with carbon fiber making up about a quarter of its airframe, enhancing durability and reducing weight. Its sophisticated radar system is capable of various functions, including jamming enemy signals and mapping terrain. With a flight endurance of up to 5.8 hours and a top speed exceeding 2,600 km/h, the Su-57 is a high-performance fighter. China's aviation industry corporation AVIC recently unveiled its Baidu White Emperor, B-type, sixth-generation fighter jet concept, marking a significant milestone in the country's aerospace development. Developed under the Nantianmen project, this advanced fighter symbolizes China's growing dominance in the defense sector. The Baidu White Emperor integrates cutting-edge technologies such as stealth, artificial intelligence AI, advanced weapon systems, and hypersonic capabilities, potentially transforming the future of aerial and space combat. Notable features of the fighter include its autonomous operation, with optional manned capabilities, sophisticated electronic warfare EW systems, and the ability to engage in networked data link warfare. This combination of innovation and power positions the Baidu White Emperor as a potential game-changer in modern military aviation.